To get custom icons for POCO M8 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select personalization. Then we can scroll down until we find the themes, and when you enter it, you will need to select the theme that you want to use with the icons included. So go for any style or theme that you like. Make sure that it's free if you want to use free one, and then look if there's actually custom icons. As you can see, this one does have the custom icons, so we can download it. Then when it's downloaded, do not apply it unless you want to. You can apply only icons from that theme by clicking on Customize button and then just select icons right here and then finally click on Apply. That way you will get a custom icons on your screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.